In this video, we'll explore the grid theme, one of the hot themes on JSN ImageShow. On the admin site, go to JSN ImageShow Showcase via the component menu item. On the Showcase Manager page, you can create a new showcase or edit an older showcase. Make sure all settings on the General tab are saved. Go to the Theme tab to install a new theme. Click on the grid theme to download and install it. All the settings for the grid theme will be shown. Let's start with the container panel, which allows you to set the background color of the image show. Use background color to set the background color by clicking on the color selector. Or choose transparent background to make the background of the gallery transparent. Height options allows you to set the height type of the gallery. You can set auto or inherited. Next, we'll go to check the thumbnail settings. Images source allows you to select the image source to present. By default, it's thumbnails. You can select original image source. Use thumbnail layout to set the layout of all thumbnails with two options, fixed and fluid. Here you can set the width, height, space, border, and rounded corners of the thumbnail in pixel. Thumbnail shadow allows you to set the shadow of the thumbnail. There are no shadow, light, or bold shadow. Thumbnail border color, to set the color of the thumbnail border by clicking on the color selector. And click action to select the action that will happen when the viewer clicks on the focus image. Now is the caption panel, which allows you to define whether to show or hide the caption panel. Show caption field. Select yes if you want to show the caption panel. Caption CSS allows you to set CSS styling to be applied to the caption. Next is show description. Select yes if you want to show the caption description panel. And description CSS allows you to set CSS styling to be applied to the description. Finally is slideshow panel, included slide timing. This allows you to define the duration of a single image's presentation. Define show thumbnail images. Show close button. Autoplay defines whether or not the slideshow starts automatically right after the gallery has loaded. Finally is slide timing. This determines the length of time between animation triggers when a gallery's autoplay is playing. Don't forget to click the save button after finishing all settings. The grid theme has now been introduced. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with JSN ImageShow.